understand we have a quick Zoom thing, and then we've just got a few in-persons. Good morning, this is Judge Alyssa Perez, presiding over the 210 District Court criminal docket for September 5th, 2023. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives and being streamed via YouTube for public viewing. Good morning. All right, Mr. Marufo, would you call our first case, please?
Page 1, Judge.
Mhm.
In cause number 2023-0D03739 and 2023-0D03738 and 2023-03D02856 and 2023-0D02949 and 2022-0D03129 and 2023-0D02114 and 2023-0D02113, State of Texas versus Mary Denise Balvanera. Announcement of council, please.
And tell her to take it to. Oh, Ken is going to log in.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you very much, Chantel. Kent Sutton for the state, Your Honor. I'm filling in for Aaron Delaney.
Got it. Good morning.
And good morning, Judge. And I'm asking permission to be here this morning with my camera off.
Yes,
Denise Butterworth on behalf of Ms. Balvanera.
That's fine. Do we have Ms. Balvanera? She's not in custody, is she? I'm sorry.
She is not in custody. And I think that this was originally set on a hearing where she didn't have to be present. So I understand then we might have to reset this for her to be present, because I have filed motions to withdraw on these cases.
And that was not, I had printed an early docket, so I had not seen that. It looks like, let me just ask, is this all the cases we have on Ms. Balvanera? Is everything now been indicted, filed, whatever needed to be done?
That's my understanding, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. And yes, I'm sorry, Ms. Butterworth, I was just looking over your motion. It was filed, I guess, last week.
Yes.
My thought is, yes, we're only set for a status conference today. I would like to set this in a couple of weeks. Let me see if I get a good date. We can even do it next week, but I want to make sure that she is present so that we can, were you appointed, Ms. Butterworth?
I was, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. So I think it'll be a pretty quick hearing, but I just want to make sure that she is here. Mr. Sutton, do we have a rec on all of her cases?
Your Honor, the rec that Ms. Delaney made is 12 months on all of the state jail, 12 months to do on all the state jails, and 2 years TDC on everything else to run concurrent.
Okay. Ms. Butterworth, just out of an abundance of caution, I want to make sure that she's present and understands the nature of your needing to withdraw, and then we can appoint her an attorney basically on the spot, and maybe I can even get them to face with one another.
Okay.
Are you available in 1 week?
I am, Judge. If you'll just, I think 1 week from today, and we can just give her notice to give her the Zoom link.
Absolutely.
And we'll have a log on.
Let's do that. Let's do that. It'll be on Zoom, and we'll do it at 10 o'clock. Okay, Myrna?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ms. Butterworth. Thank you, Mr. Sutton. You all are excused.
Thank you very
Madam.
much, Judge.
Take care.
Thank you.
Do we have anyone else, Mr. Manufo?
Middle of page 4, Judge.
Mhm.
In cause number 2023-0D02104, State of Texas versus Daniel Montoya. Announcement of council, please.
Chantel or take it for the state. The state is ready.
Go ahead. Good morning, Your Honor. Jeep Darnell for Daniel Montoya. Sorry, I'm in 2 Zoom hearings at the exact same time.
No worries.
And I'm on the record in both at the same time, so I apologize.
Sorry, Mr. Darnell. I had this down for a review, but I had already reviewed your client's PR report. He was good to go. So other than that, it's just a status conference. Did you all need anything on the record?
No, ma'am, we already did that portion of the hearing.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. May I be excused?
You may.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Towards the bottom of page 7, Judge.
Can you tell me who it is? Because I think my docket is different than yours.
Okay, Rodriguez Juan Antonio, Judge.
Okay.
In cause number 2021-0D03011, State of Texas versus Juan Antonio Rodriguez. Announcement of council, please.
Roa King for the state. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry, with all due respect, Ms. Caballero is unavailable. She's out of pocket. She's on a flight back home.
Okay, well, we're set for final judges conference today. We can reset that for 1 week. Other than that, we're due to be to go to trial, special setting on October 5th and 6th. So do you all want to reset 1 week if she's not going to be here, if no one can stand in?
If possible, yes, Your Honor. She will be here.
Okay,
So
we'll
she can
reset
address.
for 1 week. Ms. King,
Okay.
you're okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good to see you. Thank you very much.
May I be excused?